In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a list of contacts into your CRM safely and accurately. Before we dive in, a quick tip. Your source file should be clean and clearly labeled. A CSV or XLSX with a header row works best with columns like first name, last name, email, and phone. Remove blank rows and make sure each column holds a single type of data, such as dates or phone numbers. Start in Zoho CRM and head to the Contacts module. This is important because imports are always targeted to a specific module, and in this case, we're adding contacts. Once you're in Contacts, open the small drop-down arrow for more options. This is where Zoho keeps the import tools so you don't have to search through settings. Choose Import Contacts. You'll land on the Import Setup page. Click Browse to locate your file on your computer. Select the file that contains your contacts and confirm the upload. If you're working with a spreadsheet, make sure the first row contains your column headings so Zoho can read and suggest mappings correctly. After the file is attached, choose Add as New Contacts. This tells Zoho to create fresh contact records from your file, rather than updating existing ones. It's the right choice when you're bringing in a new list. If the list might overlap with data you already have, consider ensuring your file includes a unique field like email, so mapping will help you avoid accidental duplicates during this process. Click Next to move into field mapping. This is the heart of a successful import. On this screen, match each column from your file to the corresponding field in Zoho CRM. For instance, map first name to first name, last name to last name, email to email, and so on. Pay attention to required fields, especially last name, which Zoho needs to create a contact. Make sure data types align. Dates should map to date fields, pick list values should match existing options, and phone numbers should go to phone fields. If there's a column you don't need, simply leave it unmapped. When your mappings look correct, click Next to review. You'll see a summary of what's being imported and how many fields are mapped. If everything checks out, click Finish to start the import. Zoho will process the file and show a completion message. If any rows fail, download the error file, fix the highlighted issues, and re-import just those rows. Once complete, your new contacts will appear in the contacts list, ready for segmentation, follow-ups, and automation. And that's how you import data into Zoho CRM with confidence.